Hey, what's up, guys? Thank you for joining me. Here we go. We got 2012-13 The Cup. Serial number on this box NE195093780. Okay, you all know your teams. Good luck. Got our bonus pack. Stuck it on pretty good. Alright, we'll go with the bonus pack. Good luck. So we got a base card of Jonathan Toews for the New York Islanders. And we got, oh, nice one, debut Dreads, Jacob Silverberg for Ottawa. Nice patch. Number to 100, number 81. All right, now for the cup. Our first card is a base card, Jeff Carter for the LA Kings, number to 249. We got a rookie for Minnesota, Tyler Kuma, number to 249, which is a really nice patch. One of the last teams picked, Minnesota. We got a redemption. Okay, keep it till the end. We got a monumental numbers for Chicago, number 7/7. Bob Propert. Propert. Number 7/7. And for the Winnipeg Jets, which this will go to Arizona, Dale Howardchuk, number to 25. Gold. And the last card for Philadelphia, Cup Foundations jersey, number to 25, Claude Giroux. This is going to my buddy Roy. All right. 2012-13, the Cup signature patches, SP, number to 35 for the Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. That's all for the break, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much.